Everyone talks about intelligence, but Kumbha does not just think fast, it thinks differently. This is the sign that questions systems, sees patterns early, and often lives mentally ahead of its time. Many scientists, reformers, philosophers, and unconventional thinkers carry strong Kumbha energy. Ruled by Saturn, symbolized by the water bearer, Kumbha represents wisdom being poured into the world. But what exactly did sage Parashara reveal about this sign? Today let us find out. Sarvebhya Namaskaraha, I am Dr. Archana Murthy, a professional astrologer and a Vastu consultant. I am passionate about Jyotish Shastram. Welcome to my channel where I spread awareness about Vedic astrology. You are watching part 1 of my 3-part series on Kumbha Rashi, also known as Aquarius. Part 1 covers nature and personality. Part 2 covers love, compatibility, marriage and family life. Part 3 covers career, health, remedies and transformation. I am systematically covering all 12 Rashis. Aries through Makara are complete. Now comes Kumbha, then Meena. So subscribe and explore the earlier videos after this one. Kumbha is the 11th sign of the zodiac, extending from 300 to 330 degrees. The 11th sign naturally relates to gains, friendships, networks, ambitions, fulfillment of desires and collective society. Its ruler is Shani, Saturn, but Saturn behaves differently here than in Makara. In Makara, Saturn expresses through discipline, structure, duty and climbing step by step. In Kumbha, Saturn expresses through intellect, systems, social awareness and future vision. Makara builds success. Kumbha redesigns society. The color linked with Kumbha is often indigo, connected with depth, perception and the unseen. Parashara says, Kumbha kumbhi naro babruvarno madhyatanudvipat Dhyuviryo jalamadhyasto vata shirshodai namaha. Now let us understand this step by step. Kumbhanaro, a man holding a pot. This is the symbol of Aquarius, a human being consciously carrying something valuable and pouring it out. That pot represents wisdom, knowledge, ideas, healing or resources. Kumbha often wants to share what it knows. Babruvarno, brown or warm complexion, a classical physical indication. Madhyadhanu is medium body frame, balanced in structure. Two-footed, upright, human. This sign acts through intellect, awareness and conscious choice. Dhyuviryo, strong during the day. Many Kumbha natives function well with routine, clarity, planning and productive daytime energy. Jalamadhyasto, situated in the middle of water. This is symbolic. Though logical outside, Kumbha often carries emotional depth within. Many feel more than they show. Vata Shirshodai, connected to air element and rises head first. Air governs thought, communication, ideas, movement and networks. Head first rising shows directness and mental initiative. Kumbha often approaches life through the mind first. Tamasic quality is also seen. This does not only mean laziness, it also means depth, endurance, silence, inward focus and the ability to stay with one thought for a long period. Kumbha can think deeply in silence. That itself is power. Classically, Kumbha is linked with hidden strength, unseen knowledge, occult wisdom, systems that help society, connecting people and resources. Think of modern examples: technology, research, medicine, social reform, astrology, analytics, innovation. Kumbha is often drawn to fields where the invisible becomes visible. Saturn owns this sign, so patience, realism, discipline and long-range thinking become strong. Mercury and Venus tend to function comfortably here, giving intelligence and communication skill, refined thinking and social grace. Some planets may feel challenged here depending on the full chart, creating issues in emotional expression, ego clashes or impulsive reactions. As I always say, study the complete horoscope to get a correct picture of the individual. Now, traditional texts describe Aquarius natives as well-built, with a pleasant appearance, thoughtful expression, calm face, and a friendly presence. There is often something distinctive about them, not always flashy but memorable. They may look quiet but are highly observant. Body areas linked to Kumbha include the calves, ankles, circulation and teeth. This is where Kumbha becomes fascinating. Kumbha is often intelligent, original, observant, humane, principled, steady and inventive. They dislike shallow thinking. If everyone follows a trend blindly, Kumbha questions it. If society says, this is how it has always been, Kumbha asks, but does it still make sense? This is why this sign often produces reformers. Now, Aquarius can be social yet private. They may know many people but trust very few. They can talk warmly at a gathering, then disappear into solitude to recharge. They value friendship deeply and are often loyal once committed. They may appear detached, but often they simply dislike emotional chaos and unnecessary drama. They prefer substance over noise. Once they adopt a principle, they can be very stubborn, but usually stubborn for a reason. There is also something quietly fearless about Aquarius. They are not easily swayed by what others think of them. Public opinion does not move them the way it moves other signs. They will hold an unpopular position calmly, explain it clearly, and wait for the world to catch up. That combination, original thinking, emotional steadiness, and genuine care for people, is what makes Kumbha one of the most quietly powerful signs in the zodiac. Kumbha contains the last two padas of Dhanishta, which is rhythm, achievement, accumulation, and the full Shatabisha Nakshatra, healing, mystery, medicine, hidden knowledge, and the first three padas of Purva Bhadrapada, intensity, idealism, and transformation. This makes Kumbha completely layered and a complex sign. Kumbha is not just smart, Kumbha is visionary. It does not simply react to life, it studies life, questions life, and imagines what life can become. Like the water bearer, it carries wisdom and pours it where it is needed. And here is the deeper truth about the sign. The water bearer does not pour for applause. It pours because it understands that wisdom held inside eventually stagnates. Kumbha is at its best when it is contributing to a person, a field, a community, or a cause. That is when Saturn's highest purpose in this sign is fulfilled. Next week in part 2, I will discuss Kumbha in love, marriage, compatibility, and family life. Tell me in the comments which Kumbha trait feels most accurate to you. Subscribe so you do not miss part 2. Dhanyavadaha.